Yoruba for Kids cooking. Yay!
Yay!
Adeniyi, do you know what we're cooking today? We're cooking Adiye. Adeniyi, do you know what Adiye is?
Chicken stew.
Correct! So, as you can see, we have chicken and stew, but before we get into this video, you guys have to learn how to make Adiye and Obeta.
Yes.
So we can combine it. So go watch the previous last two cooking segments so you guys can like cook with us, like do everything with us.
Yeah.
So, yeah!
Yeah.
So, let's introduce our ingredients, which is also called Obe. Yeah, let's start. So we first have 5 cups of mother sauce, which is also called Obeta. We cooked this in one of our previous episodes, so go check that out if you want to cook this before you start. Hey, Adeniyi, can you say Obeta?
Obeta.
Woo! Okay, we also have half a pound of grilled chicken, but you can boil it or cook it. Chicken in Yoruba is called Adiye.
Adiye.
Yes. Now we have 2 bouillon cubes. That was an interesting accent. Can you say bouillon cubes?
Bouillon cubes.
Bouillon cubes. We also have half a cup of oil, which is called ororo in Yoruba. You can use canola or olive oil or vegetable oil, but we're using olive oil. Can you say ororo in Yoruba? That sounds fun. That's kind of fun to say. Okay. We also have 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, but you can put as much as you think you need. We're using 3/4 of a teaspoon. And in Yoruba, salt is called iyo.
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 We also have half of an onion, which is diced and peeled. Make sure to do that before you start cooking because that's what you're supposed to do.
Yes.
But before we get started, wait a minute. Back up. We have 1 cup of chicken stock. I think we forgot to mention this before in our chicken video. When you're done cooking your chicken, make sure to keep the juice because it enhances the flavor when you're cooking the Adiye. So, yes, that is chicken stock. But before we get started, what is our word of the day? Do you know? It is, drum roll please, Adiye.
Adiye.
Which means chicken. Yes, chicken is Adiye in Yoruba, and that's our word of the day. So, but before we get started, what is chicken again? It's Adiye. You say Adiye. Adiye. Okay, let's get to it.
Yeah, come on.
Woo!
Jump.
Let's get started. So, our first step is to pour the oil into our pot. Okay, so let's pour it in.
Whoa.
Ooh, that was satisfying. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to saute the onions in the oil until it's wilted and allows the aroma to escape. So we're going to put this into the pot.
Okay.
Be really careful when you're pouring stuff in. You don't want it to splash. So we're going to saute it. Oh, stand back.
Stand it back.
Okay, so now we're going to pour in our 5 cups of
Sauce.
yes, Obeta.
Whoa. Make sure you don't spill it.
Yeah, I won't. 1,
2.
2, 3.
Oh.
This is number 4.
Number 4.
Make sure you have a lot of towels while doing this. Because 5.
That is it.
So we're going to allow the liquid to reduce so it becomes thick. We're going to put the lid on. So we're going to, like I said, allow the liquid to reduce so it becomes thick. Yes. Okay. The best thing about cooking is that you should layer your ingredients so like each one has a taste and it makes this big party in your mouth. Okay. So it's been a few minutes and now we're gonna check on our stew. 3, 2. Oh, that's kind of hot.
Yeah. Get towel.
3, 2.
Oh, it's burning.
Oh, look at that. Okay, so it looks like it's cooking well. So
Yeah.
maybe like a minute or two, we're going to put the ingredients in, but let's stir it first.
Yeah,
Oh, that's hot. That is really hot. Okay. Oh, so now we're stirring it. I think that's enough stirring for now. Wait, let me put the cover back on first.
Okay.
Woo.
Bow. Bow.
Okay.
Bow.
Let's go.
Go.
Okay, guys, it's been a few minutes, so let's check on the stew. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, I'm yummy.
Wow, it's bubbling.
I'm so hungry.
I think it's time to add the bouillon cubes, the chicken.
Bang up your monkey.
Okay. So let's add the bouillon cubes first.
Yeah, that was easy.
So I'm gonna do one.
Okay, give it to me, Jolaade.
Here you go, Adiye. It's
Okay.
just one of those things.
Oh, that is so good. I'm hungry.
Okay, guys, let's add chicken stock.
Okay.
I can't wait to see this because it's yellow and red.
I like yellow.
That means orange, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's just seeping inside.
Oh, that's yummy.
Oh, it stopped bubbling. This one. Okay, let's stir it now.
Yeah, bubbles. I like
Stir.
bubbles.
Would you like to stir?
I want so.
Okay, let's cover it up now.
Okay, what's the
Where's it? I'll take that. You put the cover on.
Okay.
Careful, it's hot.
There we go.
Okay, guys, we're going to wait a few more minutes and then we're going to add the chicken. It's kind of splashing, so we're going to reduce the heat so it doesn't splash on us. Let me get this so I can take off. Oh, it's right there. Never mind.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That is very hot. Okay, that is. Okay, now we're going to add the chicken, but let me reduce this a little bit more so we don't get splashed on. Let's add the chicken, but okay, so we're just gonna drop it in slowly, like that. Make sure you wash your hands before you start cooking. We did, but I just want to say that because as you can see, we're touching the chicken with our hands, and other people are gonna eat this. So let's taste our stew. I'm still chewing this chicken. So any good chef tastes their stew. So we're just gonna take a tiny little bit.
Jolaade is the chef.
Oh, okay. Take a tiny piece. No. There. Okay, let's taste it. That's good. That's really good.
Yeah.
That's
Guys,
nice.
need to taste it.
Okay, so we put all our chicken in, and now we're going to stir it so everything like soaks or whatever gets under the stew. Want to stir it?
Yeah.
Now let's cover it up and wait again. Oh, that's not a good way to put it on the cover. Do not do that, kids or adults or person or people. Okay, now we're just gonna clean up and wait for it to cook. Okay, guys, we're now just going to put salt in, but when we put the bouillon cubes, it already put a little salt in it, so it's kind of like already has salt in it. That makes no sense, but I think you guys get what I'm saying.
Okay.
So we're going to move this over.
Jolaade.
Okay, so we're just gonna put like 2 tiny sprinkles of salt
Can you try? Ah.
around.
Oh.
Okay, let's put a little bit more. Because it wasn't like extremely salty. It was just like high already salt. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now we're going to stir it and taste it. Stir. Oh, it's kind of hard to stir with all the chicken in here. It's not like stirring like soup. It's like stirring soup. Clumps of big stuff with this chicken. Okay, let's taste it.
Okay. If you taste it, let me try.
That is really good. Okay, so surprise, we have a plate of rice here. And we're going to put a little bit of stew on. Oh, that, wow, that's good.
Oh my god, I want to eat all of this.
Okay, let's put the stew on.
Oh,
Look at that.
Oh my god, that's
That looks really good.
Who's gonna eat this?
We are. Okay, so now let's put a piece of chicken on it.
The best.
Let's put that piece of chicken right on top.
It looks like a chicken fork.
What? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. Smash. Okay, Adabo. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's really good. Anyway, Adabo.
Let's fight.
We hope you enjoyed that video. Go to www.yorubaforkidz.com for more videos like this one. They also have a lot of games and activities for children. Make sure to subscribe and become a member on the website. See you there!
Don't forget www.yorubaforkidz.com.